See as the image in your eyes. I see the lighthouse there, the whole universe, the Milky Way, the day that come to the night, through evening, through darkness, blue sky with dark colors, and there are trees that grow up somewhere too high, not to climb on them. I guess I cannot, or maybe don't want to do that. I just to see many places. I see many lights, many people that going around me. I see many kids that laughter that creates something in their life, new and old, and experiment with their creative abilities. And something else, I can't remember what it was. I just see something new in these beautiful places that I walk with myself. I see the valley of beautiful lights, the valley with people that walking forward, and to me, many places I remember in my life, many things and thoughts going through me, many feelings and emotions going on and out. And I just want to speak more and more. I see some opportunity for me to create, to inspire by being, by soul, by heart, by will, by power, by freedom, by alchemy, by heart, by everything that I have in myself. Step by step, foot by foot, with many of mistakes. I do so much mistakes that I don't remember how much I do. Too much, but not too many. And yes, I can now stand still and say enough. I can stop myself. So then I hug you and kiss you, and I tell thank you. Papa, goodbye. Have a good time.